Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to move and hide points in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document, and then I will keep this preset and create a new document. Next, we can use Pen tool to add and hide point. I click to add a point, click and drag to add the point with arm, click and drag again, and then click to add 4 points. If you want to move and hide points, we can go to Pen tool and click and hold. We can find Convert Points tool, and then we can click and drag to select one point. We can use Control and click and drag to move it. If we confirm the position, we can release the mouse button. Alternative, we can use arrow key to move fine adjustment. If we want to move multiple anchor points, we can select 2 points or more, and then we can press Ctrl again and click and drag to move them together. So this is how we can move anchor points in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.